Hi, this is your 23rd day of this 30-day challenge. So there is officially only a week left of your month of meditation. I'm actually very sad that I'm not going to be meditating with you every day. So let's make the most of this final week. So today we're going to revisit mindfulness of sounds meditation. But the real deepening of the practice here is to absolutely accept every sound as it is. So if there's a sound that's loud or unpleasant, not wanting it to go away or not be part of your meditation, but just allowing it to be there as much as the sounds that you like or the absence of sounds. So with that all said, we can start by finding a comfortable seated or lying down position. And when you're ready, closing your eyes. And starting the meditation by taking a few deep, nourishing breaths, allowing each breath to relax your body and settle you further into this moment, into this meditation. And then just allowing your awareness to expand towards taking in all of the sounds around you. So starting to notice first of all the sounds close to you. In the room. Or if you're listening with headphones, the sounds in my room that you can hear. And allowing those sounds to be the anchor that hold you in the moment, letting your attention just drift from sound to sound, taking them all in. You can expand your awareness now to take in sounds further afield, so sounds outside of your room, sound of birds, passing cars, chatter, whatever there is there for you, or maybe it's no sound at all. Just noticing what's there. And if you find yourself getting swept away with thought, you can just notice that your mind has wandered. Come back and take a few breaths. And then let your awareness expand again to take in the sound swirling around you. Noticing sounds in your room, on the street, the sound of your own breath, whatever is there, just welcoming it with total acceptance. Those sounds, your anchor to hold you in the present moment, whatever they are. And you can stay noticing these sounds for as long as you want today. But if you're ready to come out of the meditation, bring your attention back to your breath again. Noticing the sensations in your body. And finally, whenever you're ready, gently opening your eyes, coming back into your day, and knowing that whenever you get overwhelmed by the sounds in your head, you can always take a moment to just tune into the sounds around you, bringing yourself back to the present moment. So have a lovely day, and I'll see you tomorrow.